I hate my hair so much. Welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed an autumn glam sort of makeup tutorial. This is the look I came up with. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, please just keep on watching. It's sort of like a glam autumn makeup tutorial. I do not do this every day. If you guys do want an everyday makeup routine that I do at the moment, you guys will probably seen it on like my Instagram and stuff. I literally do it every day. It's like wing liner, mascara. It looks like a lot of makeup because it is, but it's like all just the same products like reused on my face. Like it's really simple and easy. So if you guys do want one of those, please do let me know. Yeah, this is sort of like a glam autumn makeup tutorial if you want to be extra. I'm so rambling now, but if you're new, please do remember to subscribe, comment and share on this. Let's try again. Yeah guys, if you are new, please remember to subscribe, comment and like. Oh my god, why can't I talk? Hey guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you are new here, remember to turn on my little post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you want to see more of my face, also follow me on my social medias. They're in the description box. I said that so fast, but you know, what can you do about it, eh? If you want to see how to get this makeup look, please just keep on watching and I will see you in my next one. Alright guys, so I've already like moisturized my skin and like put on some like spray because I couldn't be asked to like actually prime my face. So doing that, and the hair's going in a low pony because it's hot. Girl, this jumper was not a good idea, but I've not really got even like a bra on. See, exposing myself, love it. I'm gonna start applying my Makeup Forever Y365 all over my skin. I like to start off with my face. Squirt a little bit of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation.
Have a squirter.
This is Sand. It's a bit dark for me, but girl loves a bit of a tan, doesn't she? Blend that around my face. And I beat the shit out of my face, guys, you know. It's been a hot minute since I've done like an actual makeup tutorial. All my other makeup tutorials have been like Halloween. And then I've been doing like vegan videos. That was a challenge. But she did it, she didn't give up. She thought she was gonna get some chicken on the second day, but she powered through. You guys wanna go check those out, link will be in the description box. Gotta get that promo, you know me. Wow, I really did beat that around my face because that is already blended out. That was fast. Got a hair on my face. Love that for me. Where's my concealer? I swear to Lord Jesus, I brought it down. Okay, well that's weird. I can't find the concealer that I wanted to use, but I'm gonna use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Canal. This is a brand new one, guys. How satisfying is that? Never been touched. I'm just dunking my Beauty Blender straight in there. I'm also gonna apply some of this Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in the shade Light Warm. I don't know, putting that under my eyes. I normally use the Too Faced thick concealer thing, like the Born This Way, but the heavier Born This Way, not the light Born This Way, but I thought I brought it down, but I didn't.
And your girl can't be asked to go back upstairs. So yeah.
I'm just blending that under my eyes. That looks cute. Wow, okay. Love that. Cool, so that's the base. I'm gonna blend out my under eyes a bit more before I apply this. This is the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just gonna press this into my under eyes. And then I press this into my smile line, all over my face as well. Can we all ignore the state of my hair as well? It needs a good old wash. But tonight, I think your girl is gonna fake tan. Gonna wash her hair. One of them nights. I actually haven't fake tanned since, I wanna say September. It's now like almost November. Last time I fake tanned was sundown. So I'm just taking this brush. This is the NARS like tapered kabuki brush. I'm just sort of pressing a little bit of powder, like literally tapping off all, like the majority of the powder. And just sort of applying this over my face, sort of like dusting off any excess powder. I'm gonna take my P. Louise eye base in the shade 0.5. It's like a light one. I like to use a lighter eye base because then it makes my eyeshadows appear more like vibrant, I think. So I'm gonna apply this on a brush over my eyelid. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer as well because I'm doing eyes and I feel like, you know what I mean. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay, what is this? My friend got it for me for my birthday. Born to Run palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Still Short, which is kind of similar to the one I was gonna go in with from the Desert Dust palette, just a bit lighter. I mean a bit darker, sorry. Just going to apply that through the crease of my eye. Oh, hello pigment, how's your day going? And I'm also going to apply this into the outer corner just to give that something to like transition into as well. I'm going to wing this out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M139. I'm going to go in with the shade Baja, which is this one right here. It's like a burnt brownie orange kind of shade. And I'm going to apply this in the outer corner and then bring it through my crease. I'd recommend using like a denser brush for this, but I can't find mine. Okay, so I'm swapping my brush to a Zoeva Petite Crease brush, and I'm gonna focus that. Yeah, that's a better brush. More in the sort of socket of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the shade Riff, which is like a medium brown here. I'm gonna once again take that through the socket to create some like shadow. And then I'm gonna take the shade Punk, which is this deeper brown shade right here. Let me show you guys. Right here, I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of that and I'm gonna change my brush. And I'm gonna take it right in the outer corner of my eye. Now we've got that, what we're gonna use on the eyelid. I guess we're going in with that one then. I just started applying it without even thinking. So that's the shade Stranded right here. I'm gonna take that on my eyelid, I guess, because I just did. I'm gonna go in with this tiniest bit of Ignite, which is this one right here. I'm gonna apply it like here. Aja again, and sort of like use that to blend it out. And mix in the tiniest bit of the Punk shade. Oh my god, I've got the whole of the other eye to do. Right, so I'm gonna do my brows and do this eye liner and lashes as well off of camera, and I'll be right back with you guys when they are all done. So the lashes are on. I need to sort of compare the pair. Guys, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M530 brush, and I'm gonna just start applying this, I guess. In all the usual places I apply my bronzer. You guys know I like a little bronzed up nose. Like a little bronzed up nose, me. I'm going in with Gimme Sun by MAC. This is a really good bronzer. I'm taking that on a MAC 135, applying that all over my face to sort of bronze it up a little bit. Give myself some more colour, some more warmth, like I actually see the sun, even though we all know I don't. I get hot and bothered in the sun. You know how some people just sit there tanning for like hours on end? I physically can't do that. Like I cannot think of anything worse. I need to be actually doing something, not just sitting there. Like it's so boring. So if that's like your favorite activity, just sat there. Like that is not my thing. What? How did I even get on that topic?
As if it's almost 5 o'clock and I'm still in my pajamas. That's a bit of a liberty.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take, what's it called again? Still shot underneath my lower lash line. I don't know what I'm saying, I just buy it under my lower lash line. Taking a little bit more of that beige, whatever you want to call it, shade. So I'm going to go in with the shade Punk now. And the little, I don't even know what is this. This isn't like my favourite brush. It's like a Luxe pencil brush by Zoeva. It's like literally my favourite brush. It's like the best little pencil brush I've ever found. I've got my setting spray upstairs. I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star 24K palette, which is Smashed, but not the shade that I use, it's Smashed. Thank God it was the kind of irrelevant one that smashed. But I'm just gonna apply that on an A23 brush, high points of my cheekbones, and right here. After that, I like to spray my face down with some Too Faced spray. I have kind of an addiction to setting spray and don't know self-control, and I just put a lot of that on. Oh my god, I thought that was lip liner. My nose is running, but I don't think you can really tell because of how much setting spray I've put on my face. It just sort of looks like setting spray, but I promise it's actually
snot,
which is lovely. You should be like, yeah, it's setting spray, not snot. I'm not that gross.
But low-key I am.
And now I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream. This is amazing. Like, you guys have to get this. This is my new favorite highlighter. I got it like whenever the day was that they came out because I pre-ordered it on Beauty Bay. Can we just, for a minute, like, appreciate that? Yeah, so what I like to do at the moment is highlight, then spray my face down, then highlight again, then spray it down again. Rihanna's makeup artist said that was what she does, so I've started doing it. We love an original Queenie. That was just a light spritz at that time. So I'm gonna apply mascara onto my lower lashes. I'm gonna go with the Gerard Cosmetics Nude Lip Liner. And I'm overlining my lips to filth. It's funny, look, when I go like that, you guys can see the line. But if it's like that, my lower lip sticks out really far. Even just doing that doesn't really make a difference because you can hardly see it. I've like overlined them so far. Do you know what? This would normally be enough to cover my lips. I feel like the amount that's left in here. With how much overlining I've done today, I'm not so sure. Don't you guys hate it when there's that like little tiny amount left at the bottom? You can't get to it because wand isn't long enough. I feel like lip gloss brands do that on purpose. Okay, right, let me fix my hair and then outro time. Okay guys, so I've done my hair. I also changed into this top. I needed to get changed anyway. I was still in my pajamas, not gonna lie. That is the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, you know what to do. Please do remember to leave a like. I love how I go, you know what to do, and then I tell you what to do anyway. Love that. Yeah, please do leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Remember to turn on my little post notification bell as well, because that way you won't miss any of my uploads. Also, follow me on my social medias, because those are in the description box, and I need to get that promo. Woo, love that. Yay. I love you guys so much, and that is it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.